Okay, so let's start. So we have 100 leads here. The first thing you have to do is to, as always, open the recaps. So let's open it. And then you will need the public profile URL here. You can also use this URL, the says nav URL, but we got less result than this one. This one get 50 to 70% more result. So let's try with this one. So the public profile URL, you just have to choose the find phone with LinkedIn URL here, and okay, go to public profile URL. As you can see, Derrick will find some results here. And Derrick will now find the number, country, and status. So if you got status not found, you will not be charged. So you will be charged only if we found the phone number. As you can see here, not found, no charge. Here we found the number. You will pay for this. So here is the number, is the country of the number, and you can go through all the lists as fast as possible. So we got a result. So let's stop it. We got a very good result in Phone Enrich, because we got like on a test of 100 number, we got like 70 to 90% result of phone number. So it's very great. So this is for the feature. Now I will show you how to go from this to this, because if you use this, you will not use the perfect match for the phone finder with LinkedIn URL, and this URL will give you very much results. So I will show you how to go from this to this. So this URL is as you can see for this one, so Rashida Dati, this is the profile URL with Rashida Dati here. And if we use this URL with the I, C, O, A, E, N, R, N, etc. If I click on OK, you will see that in fact it's the same, but not exactly the same. So what you have to do is to, from this URL, go to enrich profile here and do an enrich. So I will give to Derrick's the profile URL LinkedIn. Okay, and I will enrich it. So let's enrich with first only 5 lines. Right, so Derrick is working, but as you can see, I give to Derrick this and not this. So let's say that this is not existing anymore, and Derrick will so find the first name, last name, and everything you will find on the LinkedIn account. But what we need is so the LinkedIn URL. So where is it? First name, last name, no. Company. Here, as you can see. So as you can see, we found the public profile URL here. Okay, so it's quite easy. We found it here, and so from this, you will give this to the phone finder URL. Phone finder from LinkedIn feature, and you will get the phone finder, the phone. So that's all. Hope you will like this feature, and see you soon.